Guys, we are here again with John. This is John's Corrado. The car won't start, so we're gonna check if the car has fuel, spark, and we go from there. Okay, John, go ahead, start it. Yes, sir, go ahead. Alright, so guys, the car has no spark. I'm gonna check quick this main plug here, unplug it and reconnect it. If not, we go for the crank sensor. We do have a brand new one there, and that should be it, hopefully. So let me unplug this, John. So when you do this thing, John,
that's the wire lines.
yeah, when you do this, you gotta make sure you gotta make sure 3 of them are lined up. You know what I mean? It has to be at the same.
Oh, the 3 lines.
Yeah, the 3 lines. Actually, this is like a lock ring. So. See, you line up and then
you unscrew
turn it, you lock it. Because sometimes this one got loose. That's the sub story.
Okay.
No, that's a forward cable.
Throttle cable?
Yeah. Try again. Just try it, yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Alright, now. So now, let's go get the crank sensor. Guys, this is the old crank sensor. Looks like it's cut right there. And this is the new one. We're gonna try it. Wish us luck. We're gonna try it with the new crank sensor in. Let's give it a shot. Yeah, go ahead. Alright, again? That's not the crank sensor, dude. Okay. So, guys, a quick update that I did. I removed the distributor cap. Since we don't have no spark, we throw a new crank sensor, still no spark. So what I did is the old school way. I took off the rotor, I cleaned the contact on the rotor. Seems like brand new, but it wasn't the problem. So the problem was that little connection with the spring from this from the ignition coil to the rotor. It was all the way pushed in. That little connection, charcoal, whatever you call it, it was all the way pushed in. So now I extend it, and now we're gonna try it. Go ahead, John.
Right.
It's alive, guys. That's how it is. Well, I'll see you on the next video. Peace.